Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. So today's video is going to be a chit chat get ready with me, where I'll be creating this look and also giving you stories, gists. Okay, so if you're interested in seeing how I did create this look, kindly stay tuned. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. So guys, I'm starting off with my brows, but I'll kind of draw it fast so that I don't waste time talking. Drawing the brows. So for my highlight, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. So I realized that it's been a while since I filmed a makeup video on myself. So I was about to do one and I said, why don't I just do a chit chat get ready with me? And why I actually haven't been doing that since was because of the acne on my skin. If you notice, it's still there, but it was worse before. So but thank God it's better off, and I am able to even apply makeup on it because I wanted my face to kind of rest. So that was it. So guys, I want to just tell you the story of how I almost killed myself when I was really young. So I'm using Beautiful Bronze, a darker shade, to just conceal the upper part of the brows. I don't know if I'm talking audibly because this video I have done it more than once and I had to delete because it wasn't coming out the way I wanted it to come out, and I felt you people won't enjoy it, so I had to delete on multiple occasions. I hope this one is okay. So as I was saying, when I was really young, I was kind of adventurous, and I was at home, I was not asleep. My mom was away, my dad was away, my elder sister and my elder brother were asleep, and then we had a house help. She was also asleep, so it was just me, myself, and my playmate. My playmate was still me. We were just awake, and I was just thinking of what to do, one havoc to commit. I don't know if you know a boiling ring. We usually use it when we're really young. We used it. I'm using Milani powder to just set that area. We use it to boil water when we're really young. So I now carried it, and then I put an empty cup of very little water and also put a very small paper inside. I don't think there was even any water inside that thing. I think it was just there. I just put it and put the water heater inside. I'm using moisturizer. The thing just, I don't know, will I say exploded a bit blue? Just did, I don't know what happened. I don't know how it happened, but I know that next thing I was not seeing road again. Everybody woke up. Then I was like, what's the problem? What happened? What happened? What happened? I was like, I don't know. I can't see. Then they now the house help that was staying with us now went and carried me to wash my face in the bathroom, thinking that my face would get better. I mean, my eyes would get better or open up, but it wasn't opening up. I think there was a film that covered my eyes, so my eyes was open but I was not seeing. Everything was just blur. So the next thing that happened was we had to call our neighbor. Not Wisha, my the house help, because everyone was really small. Even my elder brother were very small. Even now took us to hospital. I don't know what they did at the hospital. Next thing, I could see my mom. My mom just came, and then she did not beat me. They just stopped using water heater in the house. That was what they did. They did not beat me. I was last born then, so nobody beats me. So one of the days we were going to church, I and my sister, my mom, I don't think my dad was with us. No, my dad wasn't with us. So just I and my sister and my mom and my brother were walking to church. I think the church wasn't really far, so we're just going to the church. So there was this major road that we had to cross before we get to the church and all that. I don't know who crossed first, but I know that my sister crossed and I wanted to follow her. Next thing I could see, was myself on the floor. Everyone was screaming or shouting, crying. I did not know what was happening actually. I was just looking. Then I don't know what happened next. I don't know the story of anything that happened next. So fast forward to when I became bigger, I now saw an X-ray report at home, and I think this is my shade. I saw an X-ray report at home, so I went and asked my mom that what was that thing for. Then she told me that it was for me. When the accident happened, they had to go for X-ray to check if my brain was still okay, if my skull was still okay. I was really surprised. I was like, was this thing that serious? And then I asked my sister, and then she said that was my elder sister then, because I was the last one at that time. And then she said that if anything had happened to me, she wouldn't have forgiven herself, because she felt that she was the one that led me to go and cross. I was actually surprised, because I was thinking it was just a minor injury. And when I was really young, I noticed that, because I cut my hair when I was young, I noticed that whenever they want to use clip and just cut down my hair, they are always stopping around that area, because there were 2 or 3 marks that were on my head. They will always stop, and when they stop, they'll say, what happened here? And I say, I had an accident. But I did not know the gravity. They told me that blood was everywhere. It was a serious accident. They couldn't go to church again. This. I did not know what happened, actually. I didn't know. I was just thinking of how did my mom take it, because for you seeing your child being hit by a motorbike on the road, and then blood everywhere, they had to rush me to the hospital. I can't even imagine how my mom was feeling at that point. I knew it was just something else for her. The foundation I used Flawless Ivy in Ebony. I mixed it with this unique foundation. It's not a foundation, it's a concealer. I mixed it with, it doesn't even have a shade. I don't know if it made my face look darker, but I think I can work with this one. So I went on to apply my highlight. I'm using the Zaron highlighter in medium, this one. So I'm just going ahead to blend everything in. So what I want to talk about next is about my YouTube journey. Like, before I started my YouTube, I was quite optimistic and I had everything planned out. I felt that if you just follow the rules, you will blow. Honestly, that was my feeling. Like, there's no cause for alarm. If you follow the rules, YouTube has some rules. You have to be consistent. You have to do this. If you just follow these rules, you're going to blow. That was what I thought. I watched a lot of videos, like a lot. I had it in mind to join YouTube in May, and I finally joined May. I finally joined YouTube in June. So I had prepared, I had planned, I had tried to get necessary things that I felt was needed. When I posted my first video, I posted it on a Sunday around 3 a.m. so that by morning I should wake up to comments. Actually, I woke up to comments. I woke up to very nice comments from my friends, my colleagues. Actually, I woke up to really, really nice comments. I was happy. I was looking forward to post more because I felt welcomed and all. The second, third uploads, the same thing. I was welcomed. Everyone was commenting. Until I think third or fourth uploads, the whole thing was reducing. The people that were commenting were few. I was even getting new friends actually on YouTube. I was meeting people, new people. It was really nice. I felt the community was welcoming, even though there's no particular person that welcome you on YouTube. It's just you welcoming yourself and trying to relate to people. But I felt welcome actually. People that supported me. My 100 subscribers was just in how many? I think 1 day, 2 days. I think it was in 2 days I got 100 subscribers. So it was no big deal for me. Next thing I got 200. My younger sisters were like my backbone. Almost all their friends subscribed to my channel. They'll post it on their status. If anybody looked at the status, they'll go and follow the person up and ask the person, have you subscribed? I was like, I can't do that kind of thing. Things started declining. I did not know why, but I noticed that people were no longer watching. They felt that it's makeup I always do and it's for women. And because I went on to talk to some people, I was like, why are you not watching my videos again? What happened? Because I started with makeup, I started with sit down videos, motivational videos. So maybe they were expecting more of that, but what I really wanted to give out was makeup. So I told them why. Some of them would say that because of they did not want makeup, they wanted other things, that they feel like I am just the makeup for women, so they can't watch it because of that. So I was confused. I was like, I want to do makeup. My main niche is for makeup. Like, I was just confused. The next thing that happened was I went and then I started doing other things so that I keep my subscribers. But I still noticed that those people that were saying that the niche they want was not makeup, I noticed that they were not even there. So I just felt like these people are not even interested in my content. They are just saying it so that they'll use it as an excuse for them not to be coming. That's what I said. That was exactly what was happening. I'm using Benign Clown White. So guys, I don't know if this video is really going to be long because I fear I've talked too much, but please bear with me. Thank you.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
So this is the final look, guys. If you did enjoy this video and learned a thing or two, please do give it a huge thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe if you have not, and please do leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow in my next video.
Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm